I'm going to show you how to start investing with $20. If you're interested, continue watching this video. If you're new to my channel, cheers. This channel is where you get all the motivation to take a jump in life. On this channel, we talk about investing. And when we talk about investing, what people really think is investing with a huge amount of money. No, you can start investing with $20. Just $20. This is approximately $20, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Sure. Now, for my new audience and my already subscribers, I want you to like this video. Put a comment down below and now share the video to other people. I've deposited $100 in my account, I've lost it. $200 in my account, I've lost it. And even $800 in my trading account, and I've lost it. That's a lot of money to me. And I said this time, I'm not going to lose money or donate money to the brokers again. I'm just going to stay on the grind and learn a lot more and start trading or trade with a small amount of money and grow my account way higher. So I realized every time I start trading with $20, $50, $100, I start growing my account consistently. On a week, I can be on a winning streak and I can win every trade I place in the course of the week. And when my account starts growing, I begin increasing my lot sizes. Increasing my lot sizes on every single trade I place, because I think right now I have a lot of cushion in my trading account. I have a lot of money in my trading account, and because I want to make a lot of money, I just start increasing my lot sizes. I'll be trading big and a single trade will blow my entire account. At a point in time as a trader, you blow your account. But what's so important is that you're not going to give up. You're just going to learn from your mistakes and better yourself when you get back to the market. There are over 100 people who have registered for my Forex trading free course. Now, we have a one-on-one classes in progress for a very huge discount. This way you're going to learn Forex trading from scratch. Do your own technical fundamental analysis and trade and make profits in the Forex markets. I recommend you take this course. It's going to be a blast. Anytime I'll be trading on a demo account, I'll be trading big lot sizes and I'll be making a lot of profits on my demo account. And I thought it was the same thing when I go to the live account, but the live account is so different from the demo account. So when I started trading a live account, I saw the emotions in trading. I really saw the realistic part in trading. Well, a demo account is an account that the brokers give to you for free and fund it for free for you. But the money in the demo account is not real money, it's fake money. So after making profit, you can't withdraw the money. And if you lose the money too, that's not your money. So you can just play around or practice with a demo account. And when you think you are good and you want to jump on a real account or a live account, you can start depositing money and be trading on the live account. After learning from my mistakes, I realized I was good at growing accounts like $20, $50, $100 in my trading account. So whenever I'm trading an account and it gets to $300, I just place a withdrawing order. I make the withdrawal before I continue to start trading again. What's so important for beginner traders to notice that it's not about how much money you make in a day, but how long are you going to stay in the Forex market. You know, 90% of retail traders lose 90% of their deposits in 90 days. And you want to grow your account to exceed 90 days. That's where you're going to build your confidence. That's where you're going to believe in all what you've learned over the course of the time. When trading, you don't need to be greedy, especially when you are trading on a $20 account. When you have profits, you just have to take profits. When you are making loss, you just have to close your eyes and cut your losses. When you start thinking $20 is a small amount of money and you can afford to lose it, that's where you're going to make a lot of losses, because you're going to trade carelessly. When you are trading on accounts like this, you need to treat it the same way you treat this account. And how you treat this account, that's the same way you need to treat this $20. When trading a small account, you should consider the broker you use. When you are using a broker that takes a lot of spread and commission, that means you are already losing your $20 account. We are making a lot of research trying to find the best broker to recommend for you that has small spread, small commission, small swap fees, have several ways of depositing and withdrawal, have good regulations, and also take small amount of time to get your deposits and withdrawal done. I stopped using a demo account at an early stage when I started trading Forex because I thought a demo account wasn't so realistic. So if I needed to test any strategy or test any price action or do any practice, I just did that in my real or live account. That was a big risk I was taking, but it was worth it. You need to master your emotions when you are trading a $20 account. Let's say for instance you place a trade, you have $20 in your trading account and you've lost about $8. Definitely in your next trade you would want to increase your lot size to get the $8 you lost back. And most of the time it doesn't really go well. You lose another $5 and you might even lose everything in your trading account. The book I read to master my emotions in trading was The Psychology of Trading by Dr. Brent Steenberger. That was the book I read to master my emotions. I read it and now I have good attitude towards the market and I know what to do when I make a loss or I make profits. Look, if you make a deposit like $20 in your trading account, this is what the brokers think. Yo, this guy is a beginner. I think so. Now he just donated $20 to us. Thank you. You need to prove them wrong. So these are some few tips I wanted to share with you in this video. If you have $500, you can start trading Forex with that. If you have $200, you can start trading Forex with that. And if you even have $20, you can start trading Forex with that. You just need to take a step, believe in yourself, and you'll see progress. Put down any questions you have in the comment section below. I'm going to answer you and we'll get this going.